Okay, so find the angle of the equilibrium of the system. Refer to the figure below. The total length of the bar is x with its center of gravity located at x over 2 from each of its ends. The vertical wall on the left is frictionless. So by the first condition of equilibrium, the upward forces are positive while the negative forces are negative. Since the vertical wall on the left is frictionless, the summation of vertical forces is we have n cosine of the angle. So this is the vertical that is upward. So the vertical component of this normal force is n cosine of the angle minus mg here. So the mg is negative directed downward. So here n cosine of the angle is the y component of the normal force n. The weight mg is directed downward, hence its sign is negative. For the summation of torques with respect to the point O, we have this a cos over cosine of the angle. So this is the length from this point O up to this point. So that is the length is equal to a over cosine. Then multiplied by the n, so we have the moment of the normal force. So that's is the is the moment of the normal force n because this length is equal to a over cosine of the angle. Then we have the x over 2 times cosine of the angle. So the cosine of the angle here is so this one. So this length from this point up to this point, so the length is equal to x over 2 times cosine of the angle. Then multiply by mg here. So we have the moment of mg. So from the summation of vertical forces, n cosine of the angle minus mg equal to 0. So substitute this equation in equation 1. We have e over cosine mg over cosine of the angle minus x over 2 mg cosine of the angle. So we can factor out the we can solve for the cosine of the angle here. The cosine of the angle is equal to the cube root of uh, 2e over x. So we have the theta of the angle here. The theta is equal to the arc cosine of 2a over x of the cube root of this value. Then we have the x value equal to 1. Then, the a value here is equal to 0.1. Then we have the angle in radian, arc cosine of the 2e value over x value raised to 1/3 for the cube root. Then we have the theta degree. The angle in degree is 180 over pi. Then the angle in radian is just equal to this arc cosine of 2 times the a value over the x value. So we have the value here. 0.94615 is the value of the radian, the angle in radian. And the angle in degree is 54.2109.